In this video I will show you that how you can use beetroot balm to get soft pink lips naturally. You will need 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets, 1 tablespoon shea cocoa butter, ½ teaspoon beetroot powder. What you have to do? Step 1. Place the beeswax, shea cocoa butter and the olive oil in a glass jar. Step 2. Heat water in a saucepan. Step 3. Place the jar in it. Step 4. Keep stirring the contents till they melt. Step 5. Add the beetroot powder to the jar, and stir so that the mixture is even. Step 6. Transfer the lip balm into containers. Step 7. Let it cool down and set. Step 8. Use with the help of a lip brush. How often do you need to do this? You may apply this as often as you need to. Why this works? Beetroot leaves a lovely reddish stain on your lips, and it also helps reduce pigmentation. This is due to the presence of vitamin C in the beetroots. The olive oil and the shea cocoa butter moisturize your lips, and the beeswax keeps your lips hydrated for a long time. It really helps to get natural pink lips without applying lipstick.